Did someone move out of your house and you need to swap your locks? Are you just looking to update your hardware? In this video, we'll cover how to change out a deadbolt lock. Hey guys, it's Josh with No Dad, No Problem, featuring how-tos, interviews, and reviews you can use. So we just recently painted our front door and decided it was time to update the hardware that was on it. So I went down to my local hardware store, I bought a knob and deadbolt combo, and I figured I'd make some videos on how to do the swap. The parts required will be the new hardware and a Phillips head screwdriver for removing the old hardware and installing the new hardware. I'm going to break this into two videos to save time for folks who are only looking to swap one. So if you're looking for the other one, you can check that out on my channel as well. But hey, let's get to it. All right, as we can see here on this deadbolt lock, there are two screws. I've positioned the lock out with the handle up just so I'd have easier access to it, because if that bolt was closed, that's going to be quite a pain. So what I'm going to look to do is I'm just going to unscrew these lefty loosey, righty tighty. So left to loose. Pull that, it's just going to fall off. Pull that out, and then slide. I may have to use my screwdriver to give this a little bit of force exerted because it's pushed in there pretty good. In this case, I'm going to try a flathead screwdriver. Coming from all the way this way to put the pressure on. And it's finally coming out the way it should. All right, so the old lock is now uninstalled. Okay, now that I have my old lock removed, what I'm going to want to do is I'm going to take the deadbolt portion of my new lock. I'm going to slide it in. My previous one wasn't set up, like my door hasn't been cut out for a plate, but I checked the clearance on it. Unfortunately, I have enough clearance that I'm not going to have to drill in or carve out the door. I'm just going to have to throw some screws on there and clamp it down. So I'm going to throw those in real fast. Okay. Now what I'm going to want to do is I'm going to take the outside of my deadbolt. It's got the little D shape on there. You got the D in there. I'm just going to rotate this piece. I'm going to slide it through. Until it is through. All right, so the hardest part of this all is just going to be lining up the holes. So I'm going to try, just bend down, take a look, see if I can see that they're lined up. Making minor adjustments to the face as necessary. But they do look lined up, so that's a good place to be. All right, so now that I have those holes lined up, I'm going to take the back side of my lock and make sure that the word lock is up. I have my D-shaped piece here. Make sure that that is up on there as well. And I should have a direct feed in. I'll be able to hand tighten the screws, assuming we have good feed, and we do. And then once they have started the hand feed, then I will tighten them down with my screwdriver. I'm pressing against the face on the back side of it just to keep everything tight. I'm securing these, tightening them so they're snug, but not so tight that it's going to strip it. So that should be good. In the upright position, that's the locked. If I turn it to the side, it comes unlocked. And moment of truth, shut the door. This handle turns. Deadbolt is secured. Turn it, it opens. Perfect. All right, so there you have it, guys. Swapping out that lock yourself is something that you can do. It's a very easy to do home improvement project. If this video has helped you in any way, please consider leaving us a like. Leave comments down below on videos you'd like to see us make. Subscribing to our channel helps our channel grow, and ringing the bell will give you notifications when we upload new content. It is a crazy world out there, so please be safe, be well, be blessed, be loved, and have the best day ever.